Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing edition here in Raf on Restart. I'm Raf and we're in Fukuoka Airport and we're gonna be unboxing Harley Quinn, Birds of Prey edition, base model, Margot Robbie. So we got this for cheap. So yeah, let's open her up, release her from her prison. Alright, just grab this very tight. Oh, look at that. That's an unexpected surprise. So she comes with a mallet and two roller skates. I can't seem to remember where this outfit came from. The gold, no? It looks so cool. Alright, the articulations are still very tight. Oops, I lost her ponytail. Stand by. Yeah. They're okay. The ponytail is removable. There. Alright. Removing the plastics in between her torso. Alright. She looks absolutely stunning. Just like the movie and the actress herself. Another fine piece of my female heroes collection. Alright. Can't wait to try her skates on as well. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this one, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.